These next set of instructions are for running a cytotoxicity assay using one biotinylated molecule. This next step will be done in a sterile cell culture hood. The items you will need are a well stand, that is optional. We need the plate template, which came in the kit. We need the cell suspension solution, cell media, well reservoirs. We need 9 microcentrifuge tubes and the rack. We need 3 96 well cell culture plates and a marker to label them with. We need various pipettes. I have a multi-channel, a P1000, a P200, a P20, and a P2. And we'll need the various tips that go along with them. I like to start off with a fresh box. We'll start off with 96 P1000 tips, 96 P200 tips, and 96 P2 tips. We also need a pipette aid and the various pipettes for them. 25 ml, 10 ml, 5 ml, and 2 ml. You will also need a vortex. And that's it.